ourselves, truly becoming a reliable adult in our lives in which our dreams can move from. We have become the working skills, the raketeras, the mommies and the daddies, and ang tumatayong haligi ng tahanan of their families. We have become the sheltered individuals that finally spread their wings. We have endured the homesickness. We have endured the 500 pesos a week allowance, or even lesser than that. Balanced work and homeworks, deadlines, and crying at nights. We have built our mental and emotional muscles and have come out as the bravest warriors of our never-broken battles. And to the rest of us, who feel like they're not good at anything, but just knows how to get by, someone said that getting by is a skill, because it takes a lot of courage to fight despite the crippling emotions